Opening your third eye to visualize your manifestation is a powerful way to enhance your intuition and clarity. Here's a step-by-step spiritual yet practical approach. Number 1, prepare your space. Find a quiet, sacred space where you won't be disturbed. Light a candle or incense or place a crystal like amethyst or lapis lazuli nearby. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Number 2, breathe into presence. Close your eyes and take 5-10 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale through the mouth. Allow your body to relax and your energy to center. Number 3, focus on your third eye. Bring your attention to the point between your third eye or between your eyebrows, your third eye chakra. Gently tap or massage that area to activate awareness. Imagine a violet or indigo light glowing and expanding from this point. Number 4, activate with intention. Say a clear intention like, I now activate my third eye. I am open to divine vision, clarity, and the highest truth. Repeat it 3 times with feelings. Number 5, visualize your manifestation. Begin to visualize your desire as already manifested. See it, feel it, hear it, engage all senses. Imagine yourself experiencing the joy, gratitude, and success of having it now. Number 6, connect with inner guidance. Ask your higher self or guides, show me the steps I need to take to align with this vision. Be still and listen. You may receive images, feelings, or a knowing. Number 7, anchor the energy. After your visualization, bring the energy into your heart. Say, it is done. I trust my vision. I am aligned. Open your eyes slowly and journal what you saw or felt. For the optional boost, use sound frequencies like 852 Hz for third eye activation. Apply essential oils like frankincense or sandalwood on your third eye. Meditate with crystals like fluorite, sodalite, or clear quartz. By the way, my name is Jenny Umali. I am sending you love, light, healing, and abundance.